Microbial source tracking has never been easier than using our new kit. Start by entering the test and the number of samples you wish to run. Type your sample names, then lay out your samples, reagents, and plastics as shown onto the qPCR preparation robot, which is included with the kit. Next, download the robot's code, upload it directly into the robot app, and press start to let the robot run. The robot can run independently without any supervision necessary. While it is running, download the plate layout and import it into your qPCR software. Once the robot is done, place the plate into the qPCR machine and press run. After the run, export your qPCR data and upload it to the QA/QC portal, which will double check that everything is correct and provide you an easy to read report. Congratulations, you have just done microbial source tracking. If you are interested in the kit, please email us at info@sourcemolecular.com. Thank you.